Good morning. Good morning. I'm Sanne Magnan, co-chair of the Roundtable on Population Health Improvement, and I welcome participants here in the room today in Oakland, California, and also those who are viewing live on our webcast of the event. A reminder to all that the workshop is being webcast and recorded, and the videos, slide presentations, and other materials will be available on our webpage within a few days. So if you miss anything, you can always go back and repeat. I'd like to also extend our thanks to the California Endowment for hosting us again here in lovely California. Since February 2013, the Roundtable on Population Health Improvement has been providing a trusted venue for leaders from the public and private sectors to meet and discuss the leverage points and opportunities arising from changes in the social and political environment for achieving population health. The Roundtable's vision is of a strong, healthful, and productive society, which cultivates human capital and equal opportunity. This vision rests on the recognition that outcomes such as improved life expectancy, quality of life, and health for all are shaped by interdependent social, economic, environmental, genetic, behavioral, and healthcare factors, and will require national and community-based policies and dependable resources to achieve it. Dependable resources to achieve that vision. As one of its major activities, the Roundtable holds workshops for members, stakeholders, and the public to discuss issues of importance to improving our nation's health. The Roundtable has been focused on the subject of dependable resources since its inception, and we've held workshops and we've had publications on the topic, including such as Building Sustainable Financing Structures for Population Health, Insights from Non-Health Sectors. A handout with all relevant publications, including individually authored perspectives, is available in your packet. Today's spotlight on tax policy reflects an interest in learning how the abundant wealth across the U.S. is directed to deliver dependable resources for equitable health and well-being. You've probably heard the quotation from Benjamin Franklin when the U.S. Constitution was created, and I quote, "Our new Constitution is now established and has an appearance that promises permanency. But in this world, nothing can be said to be certain except death and taxes." In our country, we've had a checkered, complicated history with taxes. And I recall a senior policymaker when I was advocating for increasing the tobacco tax say, "Sanne, I know the harms that tobacco is doing, and I don't support them. But I also don't want to bring more revenue into government and grow the size of government." So how do we balance interests such as these? How do we have smart tax policy and decrease premature death? How do we prolong life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness in our country? Organizing the workshop would not have been possible without the planning committee members listed on your agenda: Ella Auchincloss, Kathy Gerwig, Alan Gilbert, Jeremy Geer, Jim Hester, Kiera Mylea, and Bobby Milstein. Bio sketches for them and all today's speakers are included in your packet. As you know, thanks to previous communications, we shared an impressive set of advanced materials electronically and in your packet. None of these are Roundtable products, but rather are relevant resources gathered to assure that our deliberations today are as well-informed and productive as possible. There are papers by Pete Davis, Stacy Becker, and Rethink Health, team members, Craig Mosbeck, and resources and reading prepared by the Planning Committee and by NASEM staff. A proceedings of the workshop will be prepared by an independent rapporteur, and all participating today will be notified when that is published. If you are on Twitter, please use the hashtag PopHealthRT in reference to this workshop. We will also use Poll Everywhere, and instructions will be on the screen when that is being used. At the end of the day, my fellow co-chair, George Isham, will make brief reflections on the day and welcome those from members and other participants. With that, I'll now turn the podium to Bobby Milstein, who's been leading a roundtable work group that is focused on resources and economics. Thank you, Bobby.